What if I told you that you could create a mobile app, a fully functional one, without writing a single line of code? The camera opens on the Future Frame AI logo, the intro animation dissolving into a laptop screen. I narrate a roadmap, define the idea, sketch core screens, pick a no-code builder. I describe AI generating UI layouts, producing assets, and wiring interactions with visual logic. I show how to train AI on sample content so personalized features behave like a real product. I explain connecting APIs for payments, maps, and chatbots without plumbing code, testing in-device previews to refine flows. I emphasize speed, prototypes in days, not months, and accessibility. Entrepreneurs, designers, and makers can iterate fast. I address risks, verify privacy, monitor AI outputs, and plan for developer handoff later. The scene closes with practical steps. Pick an app idea, choose a no-code AI tool, and build a prototype tonight. The narrator smiles, sure the future of app building is truly creative and inclusive. Welcome to Future Frame AI, your go-to spot for how AI reshapes creativity and tech. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your own app using AI. No coding, no stress, just pure innovation. First, imagine the idea. Solve a real problem, sketch features on paper, and define your users. Next, pick an AI app builder platform. Many offer drag and drop plus templates. Upload assets, logos, sample text, and voice or image prompts. Then use AI modules, generate UI layouts, auto-create content, and wire up data flows with connectors. Iterate quickly, preview, tweak prompts, and test flows on mobile emulators. Add integrations, chatbots, analytics, payments. Most platforms provide one-click connectors. Polish UI with presets, choose colors and icons, and ensure accessibility. Prepare launch, create store listings, privacy settings, and basic onboarding. After launch, monitor usage, collect feedback, and retrain models or adjust prompts to improve experience. In minutes to days, you'll have a working app powered by AI, built confidently, tested thoughtfully, and ready to delight users, and scale it sustainably today. Today, I'll show which AI tools can build apps for you, how to design with simple prompts, and how to test, publish, and share in minutes. First, I describe popular tools, visual builders that convert prompts into UI, code-generating models that scaffold back-end logic, and integrated platforms that handle hosting and databases. Examples include no-code platforms powered by AI and GPT-style assistants. Next, I guide design with prompts. Start with a clear goal, list core features, describe layout and style, and ask for iterations. Keep prompts simple, sign up dashboard analytics, then refine. I explain testing, preview in simulator, run basic flows, check data handling in edge cases, and use quick automated tests where available. Publishing is straightforward. Connect a domain, choose hosting options the platform offers, and deploy with one click. Finally, sharing. Generate share links, embed in sites, or publish to app stores if supported. By following these steps, you'll move from idea to a live app in minutes, confident and ready to iterate. Let's build. Have fun building. I remember the first time I sketched an app idea on a napkin, a simple wish to turn a concept into something real. Today, AI does that instantly. You describe the idea, and in minutes, the AI drafts the layout, screens, navigation, and visual flow, so you can see your concept come alive. It maps features together, links buttons to actions, and suggests user journeys. Behind the scenes, it writes back-end code, sets up data models, and connects APIs, removing repetitive work so creators focus on experience and purpose. What used to take teams weeks now happens in hours, lowering technical barriers and widening access. This doesn't replace humans, it amplifies them, letting designers, founders, and hobbyists prototype boldly. There are trade-offs. Privacy, quality checks, and thoughtful oversight remain essential, but the opportunity is huge. Imagine launching more experiments, iterating faster, and testing ideas with real users sooner. AI app creation is a tool for creativity and impact, a new engine that helps ideas leave the page and become useful, living products now. Imagine an easy path to app creation. AppyPie AI takes your idea and runs with it. I describe an app concept, pick a category, and watch as AI assembles screens, features, and branding. It's made for beginners. No coding, minimal setup, and plenty of templates that feel modern and clean. I preview the app instantly, tapping through layouts, tweaking colors, and swapping icons until it fits my vision. When it's ready, AppyPie generates publishing assets and guides me toward Google Play or the App Store, streamlining certificates, descriptions, and screenshots. Behind the scenes, AI suggests user flows, feature sets, and monetization tips, but remains flexible so I control the final design. The process saves time, lowers barriers, and turns rough ideas into a tangible product I can share. For creators who want a straightforward, supportive tool, AppyPie AI shines. Friendly, fast, and focused on getting your app from concept to store ready with confidence. You'll be surprised how quickly your idea becomes a real app. Imagine building an app without code, where design feels like play and results feel professional. With Adalo and AI integration, I drag, drop, and watch screens populate in seconds. Layouts, components, even data fields appear smartly suggested. The AI automates repetitive tasks, linking database collections, generating navigation flows, and creating responsive interfaces that adapt to phones and tablets. I connect my data with a few clicks, map fields, and rules, and the app instantly reflects live changes. The design assistant proposes color palettes, typography, and spacing, speeding decisions while keeping control. Prototyping becomes instant, previewing interactions, testing signups, and viewing dynamic lists without writing code. Behind the scenes, integrations and APIs are handled smoothly, and deployment options guide me toward publishing. For creators, entrepreneurs, and teams, Adalo's blend of drag-and-drop simplicity plus AI automation turns ideas into functioning apps fast. It's efficient, approachable, and surprisingly powerful, a toolkit that lets imagination focus on value while the platform handles the mechanics. Try it, iterate, and ship. Build confidently, iterate rapidly, share broadly. I open a messy spreadsheet and imagine it as a helpful mobile app. With Glide AI, I upload the data, describe the goal, track inventory, manage events, or share a community directory, and watch the transformation. The interface reads columns, suggests layouts, and creates interactive lists, buttons, and filters instantly. I customize visuals, tweak labels, and add actions without writing code. The app adapts to phones and tablets, syncing changes in real time so collaborators always see updates. Glide AI handles relationships between sheets, turns rows into profiles, and assembles polished pages that feel native. I test the app, tap through search, maps, and forms, and notice how the design anticipates user needs. For builders who value speed and clarity, it's a shortcut from concept to working prototype. For teams who need lightweight tools, it's a reliable workspace. Minimal setup, big payoff. Ideas become usable tools in minutes. If you have data and a goal, Glide AI simplifies the leap from spreadsheet to practical, shareable app today. Imagine needing an app and watching it become real. Builder.ai steps in like a friendly partner. You describe what you want, and its AI assistant, Natasha, organizes the build. She maps features, chooses components, and coordinates coding, hosting, and maintenance, so you don't juggle technical weeds. The process feels simple. Pick templates, tweak visuals, add integrations, and Natasha translates choices into developers, timelines, and budgets. Behind the scenes, Builder.ai assembles modules, runs tests, and deploys the app to hosting without you touching code. Updates and monitoring continue automatically, freeing you to focus on users and growth. For non-technical creators, this means your idea survives the gap between concept and production. For teams, it speeds delivery while keeping costs predictable. The result is a polished app delivered with transparency, estimated time, price breakdown, and progress tracking. In short, Builder.ai and Natasha let your vision move from note to live product with less hassle, clear expectations, and ongoing care. The kind of tool that turns I wish into it's live with confidence. Before we dive deeper, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Your support helps Future Frame AI continue creating free, high-quality AI tutorials. I guide you through a journey, standing beside a whiteboard where concepts unfold with friendly clarity. I frame each idea with approachable examples, smoothing tricky parts into simple steps. Visual cues appear, arrows, highlights, quick comparisons that make patterns obvious. I slow when complexity rises, offering a steady rhythm so you can follow without stress. Practical tips pop up, shortcuts, pitfalls to avoid, and ways to test what you've learned, so learning feels immediate and useful. Along the way, I show how tools fit real projects, imagining wins you can try. The pace stays conversational, energized but calm, encouraging curiosity and persistence. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap, core principles, actionable steps, and next moves to build confidence. Stick around as we turn abstract ideas into useful skills, one clear example at a time. Today, I explore Thunkable AI, a hands-on builder that hands creators full control over app ideas. I describe its drag-and-drop canvas, where pre-built AI blocks, voice recognition, chatbots, image analysis snap together like puzzle pieces. I show how voice input transforms into commands, how a chatbot block manages conversation flow, and how image analysis identifies objects and triggers actions. I explain the simple logic connections, testing live on a phone, and publishing directly to app stores without wrestling with code. I narrate a quick use case. A volunteer builds a local guide app that listens for questions, replies conversationally, and tags photos of landmarks instantly. I highlight customization, tweak block parameters, train responses, and combine multiple AI blocks for richer experiences. I emphasize privacy controls and the importance of testing edge cases. I mention affordability and the supportive community of builders sharing templates. Finally, I invite viewers to imagine their own idea, sketch it on paper, then bring it to life in Thunkable AI, fast, visual, and surprisingly powerful, and publish with confidence. I discovered Adalo, a visual app builder that lets creators drop in AI components, text recognition, emotion detection, image labeling, without writing a single line of code. Imagine dragging a block that reads text from photos, another that tags faces and objects, and one that senses mood from expressions. I piece them together like puzzle pieces. The result became a classroom tool that reads student handwriting, an interactive museum guide that labels artworks, and a prototype that adapts content based on learner emotion. Setup felt playful. Connect components, tweak a few properties, and test on a phone. Performance surprised me. Models ran locally or via simple cloud links, keeping latency low. For educators and hobbyists, Adalo removes barriers. No dev team, no steep learning curve, just design thinking and iteration. Security and privacy mattered, so I limited data and explained how the app uses images. In the end, Adalo made AI approachable, fast to prototype, and ideal for interactive, accessible apps. Creative energy turned into real experiences, sparking curiosity everywhere now today. Imagine a tiny AI studio inside your browser. Claude and Replit teamed up to build apps fast. I describe an app idea. Claude sketches code like a patient co-developer, explaining structure and choices as it writes. Replit catches the code instantly, compiles, runs, and shows live previews. No waiting, no mysterious setup. The flow feels like pair programming, where one partner drafts logic and the other brings it to life. You see the development loop: idea, prompt, code, instant run, tweak, redeploy. That loop collapses days of setup into minutes. Want a web dashboard or a mobile prototype? Deploy directly from the same place. Share a link, iterate with real-time feedback. Bugs become experiments, not roadblocks. On screen, the UI hums, consoles update, and deployments finish with a satisfying ding. The result is creative momentum. More builds, faster learning, and polished demos ready for users. For creators, startups, or curious makers, Claude plus Replit turns concept into product with joyful speed. Everywhere fast. Imagine opening your AI-built app and seeing your brand logo front and center. A small mark that instantly makes the experience yours. Narrator guides the viewer through choosing a cohesive color theme, explaining how warm tones invite trust, while bold accents drive action. Next, the narrator explores icon choices, showing AI-generated icons from Iconify or Leonardo.ai that simplify navigation and add personality. The scene shifts to voice features, adding natural-sounding speech, subtle prompts, and accessible audio cues that make the app feel alive. Then the narrator describes chatbots, mentioning Gemini via Google APIs, which handles questions, guides workflows, and hands off complex tasks to humans smoothly. Each customization is shown as modular: swap a logo, tweak a palette, replace an icon, or enable voice with minimal friction. The final vision ties everything together: a polished app that reflects the brand, supports users, and scales. The narrator closes with a simple call to action: personalize thoughtfully, test with real users, and iterate until the experience feels unmistakably yours. Today, I walk you through testing and publishing an app in a friendly, practical way. I describe running the app on Android and iOS simulators, watching animations, tapping screens, and checking permissions, making sure the UX feels natural. I mention common quick checks, layout on different sizes, crashes, network handling, and battery use. Then I move to publishing options, AppyPie, Thunkable, and Builder.ai. I explain that each platform simplifies builds and sometimes lets you publish without a developer account, so you can skip complicated store setups. I note the pros: automated packaging, simple settings, and guided steps, and the trade-offs: limited native tweaks and platform fees. I outline a quick publish checklist, set icons and screenshots, write a short description, choose privacy settings, and confirm analytics. I wrap up with a friendly reminder to iterate, use simulator testing, gather feedback, fix issues, and republish. Finally, I encourage creators to stay curious, celebrate small wins, and ship confidently. Let's make something people enjoy. Share progress online and learn from other creators' journeys. Imagine apps that feel alive. AI not only writes code, it learns you. It watches patterns, anticipates needs, and updates itself automatically, rolling out improvements while you sleep. Performance tuning becomes behavior-driven. Lag disappears where users hesitate, features rearrange to match moods. The old cycle of feature requests and sprints fades. Developers shift from builders to curators of intent. Dreamers, people with ideas, plug into tools that translate vision into working products. This blur changes who creates. Anyone who imagines a better way can shape an app. Privacy, ethics, and guardrails matter. Trust must be designed in, not bolted on. The workplace evolves too. Collaboration blends creative thinking with AI copilots that suggest interfaces, test flows, and fix bugs instantly. Education follows. Learning to guide models replaces rote coding. The result is faster innovation, more personal experiences. A world where apps adapt to life, not the other way around. The future of app development is quieter, smarter, and suddenly a little more human. We're standing at the start of that journey. I guided you through a hands-on tour of today's best no-code AI app builders: AppyPie AI, Adalo, Glide AI, Builder.ai, Thunkable AI, Codalar, and powerful copilots like Claude, Leonardo.ai with Iconify for visuals, plus Gemini chatbot. Each tool showed a different way to turn ideas into living apps: drag-and-drop screens, smart prompts, generated images, and conversational agents. Links are in the video description below. Click any, experiment, and build your first AI-powered app tonight. Share your creations with us. We celebrate real projects and useful feedback. If this video sparked an idea, pass it to a friend who has one, but fears coding. Your share could launch their app. Watch the recommended AI videos on the end screen next. They pick up where this guide leaves off and could be the spark for your next big launch. Thanks for following the walkthrough. Try, tinker, and return with results. Ready, set, create, and see what AI helps you build, and share updates often.